Hi, Alicia. I just wanted to run you through how to do that attendance verification just in case you didn't know how to do it. So first of all, you're going to go to My CWI, um, and then you're under My Toolkit. You're going to go to Faculty Information, and then Roster and Grading. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pick your section that you have. So in my case, I'm going to pick my motor learning course. You're going to go Grading, and then the first one you're going to do that's past due is the midterm one. That's where you're going to put AVs or NIs if they never attended. Or this NI means needs intervention. AV means the attendance was verified. Under midterm two, this is where you're going to do the same thing, except instead of needs intervention, if they never attended, you're going to click never attended. If they're all good, you're going to put AV. Please note that if you click the never attended, they will be dropped from your course. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.